kilometers away, there was a lake, Chitlapakam Lake. They recently renovated that. It was like about 5 to 6 acres, and you can go and have fresh breathe air, and you can enjoy walking. Almost one round it takes 30-40 minutes. So I decided, okay, let's go for a walking in Chitlapakam Lake from tomorrow onwards. I revealed this decision to my wife. She was looking at me. You are going for walking, huh? Chitlapakam Lake. I know why you are selecting that place for walking. Why, ma? Why? How do you know? Your friend Gayatri, schoolmate, she is living nearby lake, right? She is also coming for walking. That's what you are doing, right? I never saw their last 3 years, you know. I believe you. Then your blabbering friend, that Narayanan, he is also coming for walking, huh? What? Narayanan? I never spoken to him last 6 months. He collected 50,000 from me and said he never spoke to me. I know. He will never spoke to you again. Okay. I have to start walking with all these things. But still, I motivated myself, and next day morning 6 a.m. my bike, I want to start. Okay, I'm going for walking. I started my bike. My Activa, it has a bigger nose than me. People used to say my nose is bigger, but my Activa has a bigger nose than me. Wherever it find aroma of hot smell vadas, it will stop automatically without asking me. So morning 6 a.m. I started my vehicle. 6:15, Chitlapakam RP Road. My friend running his tea shop for the last 10 years. He prepared hot vadas with a fantastic taste. You might have never tasted. He used to run that shop. Yes, my bike just crossed. It automatically stopped me. It never asked me at all. It stopped. My friend came on, hey Kanna, come. 6 months you didn't come, man. This is the first thing. Let's come. Okay, I will come, but you should never ask me to eat vadas, okay? No, how come you can go without eating vadas for walking? You have slept in my hotel. Please have vadas. No, I'm going for walking, right? Hey, have vadas and Goda. That is not a problem, you know. He brought the vadas without even asking me. And those vadas, everything 5 centimeter length and 10 centimeter depth of vadas. 2 vadas. You take the entire day meal is over 1200 calories. But he's asked me, you have to have it. Okay, close friend after 6 months offering vadas. Okay, let's have it and let's have energy before we go for walking, right? So I had it. And then he gave me one parcel also with the tenga chutney. So I took that also with me and put it in the bike and go for walking. So now slowly, finally, I reached lake and parked my two-wheeler and started walking. So I was walking for 300 meters here and there. One old couple, they were crossing me. The wife was telling husband, you gave 50,000 to your sisters, right? You will never get it. Oh my God, what is this? Then I want to keep going, walking. And one tall fellow, he was talking very loudly to his friend. He was telling, man, next 15 days you make a note. Your lover, she will be definitely run away. Don't worry, you make a note now itself. Oh my God. Then I kept walking. Now, there was a dog, ferocious dog, stray dog, just jumped in front of me and looking at me and rotating its head. What is this he is doing? I was just looking at. Then looking back slowly, there was another girl dog. So for him, I have to leave the way. Okay. Nowadays dogs are so intelligent, you know. I just left away and then again started walking. So after half a mile walking, I saw a generous fellow who was serving karapundis for the crows. How many of you know karapundis? Anyone tasted? You like it? Okay, great. So he was serving karapundis for the crows. I was so happy. Wow, morning 6:30 a.m. Oh, gentleman serving food for the birds. And there were hundreds of crows. Suddenly, I don't know how it's coming. They have just passed through my head. Wow. Then he started eating karapundis. I was so happy. Wow, birds are getting fed today. So happy. And I was keep going. Two crows, after eating full of karapundis, it just passed through my head. Suddenly I saw there was a white line in my head. Yes, two crows just pooped on my head. Oh my God! What? Who? How I am going to go home? So having all this on my head, I was going, okay, let me go for a washroom and clear myself and go. My time. The washroom was closed, it was newly renovated. It's waiting for minister's date for the opening. Oh my God, what to say? And okay, let's go home with poop head. When I reached home, my wife gave her, welcome back, gentleman, with the poop head. Welcome. How was your day? Thank you and watching.
Actually, there is a small change in the agenda. So after this demo humorous speech, we plan to have a coffee break for 10 minutes, but we will continue with the flow, and then at the end of the workshop, we will have the coffee break. So now, are you guys? Ganesh? Okay. So the next humorous speaker will be Toastmaster Ganesh from Peramur Toastmaster Club. Ganesh, stage is yours. Where is my time? Where is my time, Toastmaster Ganesh?
Do you all know there is a say, time flies when you are having fun. But for me, time flies when I am doing absolutely nothing. One afternoon, I recently tried to figure out where I am losing my time. Later I came to know everything on WhatsApp and Instagram.